Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more monthly recurring commissions and multiple income stream commissions have recently come in. I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account, and the default here is for the last 30 days. So I'm going to go into my all time and just click on search. It will load up, and Warrior Plus is great for giving you all your stats and data. So what you'll see here, we're concerned with 3 columns. So we're still live in the account here. And on the right hand side here is the commission column. Excuse me. And this is now a total of $8,675 in commissions. I've sold in sales 17,459 products. This is really key over here. This is how you earn multiple income streams. I've sold 1,953 products in this left-hand column. I'm going to show you a bit later on how you can promote one link and do that. So more importantly in this video, 90% of these are autopilot buyers traffic offers. So the high converting, they're in demand because everyone needs traffic, and buyers traffic is the best traffic that you can get online, and you can also get it on autopilot with these systems as well. I want to show you how you can get your traffic for free, because what these systems have is you can promote one link and they've got multiple income streams built into their funnels. One I'm going to show you today, there's a couple, but one I'm going to show you today includes high ticket, and you don't even have to buy the high ticket product yourself to earn the high ticket commissions on those traffic offers. And then what that enables you to do, enables you to get into profit every single month and create a funded traffic proposal. So what that means is, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you no longer have to buy traffic from your job income or your wages or your savings in your bank account. You can then buy more traffic from your profits that you're making every single month. And that enables you to scale up and build your primary business faster by buying more traffic. And I'm also going to give you my strategy. I'm showing you proof here today that it works to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. So we'll come to that a bit later on in the video. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become an affiliate, a member of these programs, and also an affiliate as well. So let's just have a look first of all at the monthly subscription. So what you'll see here is in the commission column down the right hand side within Warrior Plus, you get this little circular arrow, and it says here recurring payment number 19. So what happens is a lot of the members are becoming affiliates. These gaps here with no circular arrow are where new, I'm referring new members. When you come down here, you'll see that 12 months in a row, you start to get a high retention, 8 months in a row. They're quite new at 4 months. But what happens is a lot of the members are becoming affiliates like myself. So if you refer members that become affiliates, you start to earn. These are all monthly subscriptions. So I pay every single month to each and every one of these. Just totals about, I think, about $40 or $50 for all my memberships. So you can see the profits here can be substantial. 19 months in a row, 10 months in a row. So you get this high retention of monthly recurring payments with the membership subscription. And then what I want to show you now is the each of these products has got a done for you funnel where you promote one link. So I'll just give you an example here of a high conversion upgrade with a lower ticket offer. This is easy Clix. Their upgrades are converting very, very well. on average about 1 in 3 members is upgrading. So when I showed you over here 1,953 products sold, this is how you start to earn multiple income streams by promoting one link. So let's just come over here and show you easy clicks. So where there's a block of 8 here, this is where 4 members in a row have upgraded. Now easy clicks have just introduced a yearly option. So there's $41.75 commission there. That gives you an opportunity. But the triple traffic upgrade here is converting to 1 in 3 or about 1 in 3. So everything I've highlighted in blue, the dates are on the right hand side here. The members join, they've upgraded, the members join, they've upgraded, the members join, they've upgraded, they've joined, they've upgraded. And you'll see the consistency here. Everything in blue is where a member has joined and upgraded to put 3 offers, promote 3 offers to buyers on autopilot. And this is consistent. It goes all the way back here. It goes all the way back for a year. This is February last year. So I'm being transparent there with the results. A new one that's just been launched, the Click Generator, has got some very high ticket offers in their done for you funnel. So you promote one link and you'll see here the owners, Frank and John, who have sold 4.7 million clicks, are promoting executive top tier clicks here for $6,000 and $8,500. Now you don't have to buy these to earn the commission. The commission's over here. They're paying 10% commission if any of your referrals upgrade and buy those and buy that traffic. You would earn $850 one-time payment if any of your referrals upgraded and bought more traffic. So you'll see their ranging here. Their products are ranging here from $30 here, and then we go up to sort of $190, $2,200, $500, and then the commissions over here. This is a recurring payment, and these are one time, the rest of them. So that's a great opportunity to get you your funded traffic proposal there. Now, what I've done, I've created a done for you funnel for 4 out of the 5 offers that I promote. So for the 5th one, the Click Generator, I'm in the process of setting that funnel up. So I'm giving you everything you need. I'm giving you all the tools. I'm giving you all the lead capture page. This is the lead capture page that I've always used for the Click engine. So this will be done for you as well. You'll see here that it converts very well. I've referred 120 members to Click Engine. You get a bonus every time you refer 10. So that's my email there to Jeff Amon, saying that I've referred my 120th Click Engine member. So I've done all that through this lead capture page here. So you're going to get everything on here. The video will be done for you. You'd have to do anything apart from create the lead capture page. I'll show you shortly how you can do that. I've written the email follow-ups for you. So they're handwritten by me. They're not done by ChatGPT or AI. I've handwritten those email follow-ups for you. All you do is put your affiliate links in. And here's the funnel that you will get. So when your prospects opt into here, into this page here, they will get taken to the email series. They'll get taken to the email series, and then within the welcome video, they will get your page here, this complete done for you page. I'll put all the videos on here that I'll keep those updated with the selling and telling. Your affiliate links will go into here. So you're going to get all the Click Engine referrals and upgrades. You're going to get leads leap commissions. So even leads leap converts, you'll see here, my total earnings now approaching $1,000 within leads leap. So you can earn leads leap commissions. All you do is just copy and paste these codes here into leads leap. It's very beginner friendly, very simple. I've done video tutorials down here that show you step by step how to set this funnel up. So everything's done for you. I've even put you some free traffic sources in here. You can join all of these for free, and you can even earn affiliate commissions if any of your referrals decide they want to upgrade. So let's say here you've got Hercules. You join Hercules for free. You put your affiliate link into there. Tutorial shows you how to do it, and I'll just show you Hercules as well. So even with Hercules, I'm live in my account. As a free member, you can earn affiliate commissions. So you'll see there, so far I've earned $663 in affiliate commissions. As a free member, you'd earn 25% commissions. But people ask me how I get all these referrals, and I just promote funnels. So I'm giving you everything that I personally use to earn multiple income streams with these offers. And if you want to go to the next level and follow the strategy that I use to earn thousands of dollars, then I will put this. This is the video I created here of how you can too. So this is the complete strategy that I follow to get the results that I've shown you today. It's very beginner friendly. It's 3 or 4 simple steps. You can start with $5, very low ticket to get started, and then you just build up from there. And that's how I started with one $5 product, and I built that up to get the results that I'm sharing with you today. So I'll pin this page with this video on to the first comment below the video that you're watching now, if you want to look at that strategy and start to follow it step by step. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content in this video, then please put those questions in the comments below. And my email address will be in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description is where you can partner with me within these offers, and I will give you everything that you need. It's everything that I personally use. There's nothing else that I do. I give everything away to you, the strategy. I give you the funnels, the lead capture pages, the follow-up messages. I just share with you and give you everything that I personally use to generate the results I'm sharing with you today. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.